Hi everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Flashcoin review. Flashcoin is promising hundreds if not thousands of dollars to install games and play them. So in today's video, I'm giving it a shot to give you guys my opinion and to show you what happens when you try and cash out. Please hit like if you enjoyed. Let's kick this off. So, here we go everyone. This is what it looks like when you open Flashcoin up. At the top of the screen, you'll notice that we have a balance of 100,000 of the cash, which apparently converts into $15 worth of currency. So that's the welcome bonus apparently, by the way. And now you will see below the balance, we have the list of applications that Flashcoin wants us to install. Now, you're not seeing the wrong thing here. Your eyes are not deceiving you. These prices are apparently what you're gonna get for installing applications through Flashcoin. First off, if we install Cash Carnival Coin Pusher game, we can earn $224. Underneath that, Cash Master Carnival Prizes, $214. Lucky Cash Pusher, $178. TikTok, $270. Alibaba sitting on a sweet $209. And Cash Prizes Carnival Coin Game, $163. Those are without a doubt some of the most ridiculous prices I think I've ever seen in my entire life. But for today's review of Flashcoin, let's give it a try and see what the outcome is, because I'm sure you guys are curious as well. So I'm going to install TikTok for $270. Tapping on the install button brings up this little area here, showing the conversion rates and of course the install button. Surprisingly, yes, it does actually take you to the TikTok page where you can install the app. Okay, so now that I've installed TikTok, if you check under the My Apps tab, you will see that apparently you can get some newbie benefits. And here is where you're going to find all the applications you install on Flashcoin as well. Apparently I've just earned 50,000 of the cash for installing TikTok. That 50,000 cash has now brought my balance up to $22.50 Australian currency. Now you can see at the bottom of the screen it's stating that I have to play for 1 second to earn 122,000 of the cash, which technically is like $20 or so. I'm going to tap the start and earn button to see what happens next. This is where Flashcoin wants permission to see your app usage. So this is a little bit questionable on an application like this, but because I'm reviewing it, I'll do it. But I just want you guys to be very careful when you grant access to your phone to these money-making applications, okay? It can be quite risky. My balance is now $30 because I allowed Flashcoin to access my phone's permission. Pretty weird stuff. Alrighty, so we're back here. You can see now it's registered my playtime, 267 seconds. My balance is $30. Let's see what happens when I tap collect. Alright, and just like that, we're up to $48.40, everyone. But hang on, the collect button is still available. So let me just tap on it now. Now we're up to $73. But wait, the collect button is still available again. Let's tap it another time. We are now sitting on $103.69. Everyone, and that was after about 3 to 4 minutes of using TikTok. So that is just on another planet right now, okay? Going back to the home screen here, you can see that we have various other apps still available to install. But let's go check out the redemption tab and see exactly what they're offering. Bottom of the screen, you can find the redemption tab. So here's where things get a little bit strange again. I have the $15 cash out available, a $750 cash out, and an $88 cash out as well. Apparently, once the timer ends, my rewards will be redeemable. It wants me to enter in an email address here as well to send the money to. So let me just do that quickly. When you're in this area, you can actually choose the various cash out options that you want to pick. So I'm going to go with PayPal, of course. Again, it wants you to enter your full name and your account details. Remember, when entering any details into a money-making app, please make sure it's actually legitimate. And honestly, when you see stuff like this, be on guard, and I'll show you why in a second. Okay, let's try and cash out the $750. Okay, so the first hurdle is I have to get through 10 of the missions on each of these cash outs. And if you've forgotten what the missions are, they are essentially these little requirements when you play games for a certain amount of time. So I'll be back yet again once I've completed those missions. Alright everyone, I'm on 3 missions left right now for 750 of the cash supposedly. I'm currently sitting on $242.13 worth of currency. And now the thing is, Flashcoin would really love it if you install more of the applications rather than just one. Still part of the game. So I'm going to install Cash Carnival quickly. So everyone, I'm making my predictions already on what's going to happen next, and I kind of feel like you guys should do the same thing. Drop a comment right now telling me what you think is going to happen when I try and cash out the currency. Do you think I'll ever receive it, honestly? Alrighty, after playing both of these applications, you can see my account balance is now sitting on $303.31. Apparently there is limited tasks as well. If you come back on a daily basis, you can supposedly earn more money from each of these applications. And at the top of the screen, you'll notice that the newbie benefits area has unlocked another option here, and that's for 100,000 of the cash. I'm now sitting on $318 apparently. Looking towards the cash out tab now, you can see there's a timer that's ticking down slowly. Yet again, Flashcoin has put some more hurdles in front of us to make sure we cannot actually cash out the money. You can see now I have to install 3 applications to approve the order. And below that, the $15 cash out still has the 3 missions left to go before I'm able to apparently cash out. But towards the top of the screen, you'll notice here, I can apparently cash out $318 in 1 minute and 40 seconds or so. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Give me a second, everyone. I'm going to come back and show you what happens next. Alright everyone, you can see that I can apparently cash out the $318.31. Let's tap on that cash out button now. So yet again, the exact same situation happens. It throws up another hurdle to complete more missions. It seems like each of the withdrawal options on Flashcoin have the exact same hurdle system where they'll make you complete a certain amount of missions, then it'll ask you to install a certain amount of applications. But do you know what, everyone? I'm going to install the next 3 applications to see exactly what happens when I try and get my $750. So I'll be back again in a second. Alright everyone, all the applications have now been installed, okay? And you would think in your head, this is it. This is the moment where we can try and figure out and see exactly if Flashcoin is going to pay or not. Well guys, you can see now my $750 cash out is in a checking status. And now we have to wait 7 days in order to ever see if we'll get paid or not. I want to give you guys a little spoiler here and save you so much time. Flashcoin is another one of these pathetic scam applications that somehow has been allowed on the Google Play Store that needs to be removed. And the thing is everyone, these developer accounts are all throwaway ones. To make things worse, Flashcoin is like a virus that literally will play notifications every single minute on your mobile phone. You can see that Flashcoin has already played about 350 notifications on my mobile. It is pathetic. And pretty much a scam and a virus. Pay attention to early access applications, pay attention to pathetic scam developer names, and just remember, early access means that you cannot see the reviews on purpose by the developer. Stay safe out there. Hopefully I've saved someone. Hit like if this video helped you or you enjoyed, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another review.